Thanks so much for joining us today. We're going to talk about distracted driving, how it affects different cases, what it does when it comes to proving your case, and how it will affect your future injury case. But before I get to that, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I really hope that you were not just in a crash with a distracted driver. If you were, I'm happy to answer your questions for you. So, if you get in a crash with a distracted driver, let's say that they were drunk, let's say they were impaired, let's say they were texting, all those things can severely impact your ability to effectively drive your vehicle. Now, if you are distracted and you cause an accident, and it can be proven that you are distracted and you caused the accident, guess what? There's an opportunity for you to be not only paying for the other person's compensatory damages, which is their pain and suffering, but in some cases, if it's egregious enough, and you were texting and driving, and it can be proven either through a passenger or through some sort of camera, there's a possibility that you could have punitive damages put against you. Definitely in the circumstance of distracted because you're impaired, either you're high, you're drunk, and you get behind the wheel, there's a very good chance that you're going to be paying punitive damages. And the reason why that's so important is that your insurance company will not pay for your punitive damages if there's a verdict against you. So you're kind of on your own. So if you are distracted, if you are drunk, and if you get behind the wheel and you hurt somebody, if you kill somebody, there's not only a chance that you could be put in jail because it's involuntary manslaughter, but it also means that you're going to pay civil damages out of your pocket if punitive damages are put up against you. Now, ways to avoid distracted drivers. If you're a passenger in a car and somebody driving that car is checking their phone too much, just ask them, hey, can I send that message for you? Can I deal with that text for you? Can I speak to that person? At worst, get them to turn on Bluetooth in their car and try to get them to get their hands to be back on the wheel in the worst case scenario. Now, Bluetooth driving while you're on the phone is still worse than just paying attention to the road, but it's better than actually taking your hands off the wheel and your eyes off the road, because the average time that you take your eyes off the road is maybe just enough to keep you from avoiding that deer, avoiding that car, avoiding that crash that causes your injuries. So do not, and I repeat, do not get behind the wheel if you are drunk, obviously. But if you are actually texting and driving, you may be just as dangerous as someone who's drunk. So if you are in a car with somebody who is distracted driving, just get out of the car, get an Uber. If that's not an opportunity, then just ask if you can deal with those texts for them. Take their phone, ask them if you can send that text on their behalf. That will really potentially save your life. Do not take this issue lightly. Texting and driving kills thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people since the inception of the smartphone. Please, I ask you, please take this seriously and do not text and drive. Do not get drunk and drive. But texting and driving is one of those areas that people completely underestimate how dangerous it is. But before you get off here today, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow along where I will make sure that your future injury case is protected. Thank you.